This is our learning video from Group 6, which discuss memory. Memory, or often called memory, is a function of cognition that involves the brain in retrieval of information. Memory will be studied in greater depth in cognitive psychology and neuroscience. In general, experts view memory as a relationship between experience with the past. What has been remembered is what has been experienced, either perceived, and it has been entered into his soul and stored that at a time the incident is re-evoked in consciousness. The brain's ability to store information in memory for years, months, days, hours, minutes, or even a lifetime is known as long-term memory. He is different than short-term memory in terms of storage, and storage capacity memory is the ability to receive and enter our learning, store memory or retention, and bring back what has been experienced or remembering. In the process of remembering information, there are three stages, namely entering information or encoding, storage, and retrieval stage. What is encoding? Encoding is a process of changing the nature of information into a form that matches the memory characteristic of the organism. The process of converting this information can occur in two ways, namely, first, unintentionally, that is, when things received by the sense are accidentally entered into his memory. For example, we can see in children who generally store unintentional experience. For example, that he will get what he wants if he cries a lot. Second, deliberately, that is, when the individual intentionally incorporates experience and knowledge into his memory. For example, students in studying. Next, there is storage. The second function of memory is about storage, or storage of what has been processed in encoding. Something that has been learned will usually be stored in the form of trace and can be reproduced. Even though they are stored, if they are not used often, this memory trace can be difficult to retrieve and even disappear, and this is called forgetting. And the last stage is remembering. In the process of remembering, or what is often referred to as memorizing in order to remember well, there are several stages that need to be prepared.